Hey there, struggling with an internet connection on your Richer Link router? This week, I'll guide you on how to fix no internet in your Richer Link router. Whether you're facing sudden disconnections or a dull amber light that just won't switch to green, we've got you covered. With a few straightforward steps, let's get you back online. Step 1. Check physical connections. First things first, let's ensure all your physical connections are intact. Inspect the power cable and make sure it is securely plugged into the router and a power outlet. Confirm that your Ethernet cables are properly connected from the router to your modem and any connected devices. A loose cable can be a simple but often overlooked issue, so give everything a firm yet gentle push. Step 2. Reboot your devices. A good old reboot can work wonders. Start by switching off your Richer Link router and unplugging it from the power source. Wait for at least 30 seconds. This helps to clear any residual static charges or memory leaks. Next, plug it back in and power it on. Allow a few minutes for all the systems to reload. Restart any computers, phones, or devices connected to the network as well. Step 3. Check the LED indicators. Your router's LED lights can provide significant insight into what might be wrong. The power light should be solid green, indicating that it's functioning correctly. If the internet light is blinking, it might be struggling to establish a connection. A solid green internet light means you're connected. If you see amber or red, you might have a service provider issue. Step 4. Access router settings. Your next step is to access the router's admin settings. Open a web browser on a device that is connected to the router. Enter the default IP address, often found in the user manual or on the back of the router, into the address bar. Log in using the default admin credentials. Here you can check whether your router's firmware needs an update or whether any critical settings need adjustment. Look for any warnings or alerts that might signal a problem. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, you might need to perform a factory reset. Caution: this will erase all custom settings and restore the router to its original setup. Locate the small reset button on your Richer Link router, often found at the back. Hold it down with a pin or a paperclip for about 10 seconds until the lights on the router blink off and back on. Once reset, run through the initial setup as per the user guide, ensuring all configurations are correct. Step 6. Contact your internet provider. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to reach out to your internet service provider. There could be an outage or a technical issue on their end. Provide them with details about the troubleshooting steps you've already taken, which can help them diagnose the problem faster. Fixing a no internet issue with your Richer Link router can sometimes be straightforward or require a bit more effort, but these steps should help guide you through the process. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates and maintain secure settings to ensure a seamless and secure browsing experience. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can confidently address connectivity issues and enjoy uninterrupted internet access. Stay connected and surf away.